one way I walk out into that house, man, I don't dey talk, say, man, I won't win the money. Even guy Sheggz, when we did for lockdown, I don't dey tell him, say, my goal is to make it to the final. My goal is to win, man. So, me, I entered there on my own. I believe say everybody entered there on their own. And as it be, because of waiting they saw for the house, you get, you understand, people go connect, people go vibe, and people go normally gravitate towards each other. Yeah. I know say that house, man, is in a confined space, a lot they happen. You don't get any outlet now, but now on yourself. You go call a person, you go see follow and talk. You go like person, this one go happen. So as they be, man, I enter the house on my own, say make I focus on myself, make I enjoy myself, make I entertain. But as it can't be, I can't enter one or two relationship. I see fine girl, I like I move to another.
No, be say you plan am, it just happen.
I plan am, it just happen. Sure you get.
Hey,
so
God.
as they be now, I think they sup on a normal shopping level now. Sure you get. And as the groovy boy where I be now, I chest her, man. I dress
the groove with all the girls.
I dress her. I just my dress and I do my thing, but everybody knows say when it comes to relationship, when it comes to play person way say I want day with that one day loud and clear, and I make am clear, man, to anything or anybody. So nobody can think say na ship na strategy or anything like that. I enter the house, things off, I see where I like, I move for. But the goal, the ultimate goal, the prize, the money, I still dey there, I still dey focus on. And 9th week, no beans.
Confirm. I swear. No beans. No be small feet.
Yes, na person wey no dey focus. I want to make am to 9th week. You don't see me where I come out with.
Hey,
what is the sub now?
Set up. Now BBS set this one up. But you and Phyna, how far the romance? It is strong. We go see some of it outside, and not just for the show.
No be just for the show. As I talk,
something's real.
As I talk, man. Yeah. The relationship, me and we don't get understanding onto that level, man. So I'm asking sub she gets naturally. I don't move to her. I don't like her and everything. And I feel like say she reciprocate the same feeling. And everything comes up. We can't the relationship. And as I don't come out, on to say no be waiting the boy plan. But God got plans for everything. She get regardless. I go still thank my group.
Man, they compose. God, they decompose.
You understand? So God get plan for everything. She get so regardless of everything where they solve for us, man. We don't already know the relationship for inside the house and for outside. Go there on a different level.
Confirm.
So you get so me I just make person me I dey focus on my own thing. Make I dey push myself now as I don't come out on an early thing. You understand? I dey focus on myself. Make I dey push my band. Make I dey push within the sub. And she said she go there the house. She go dey gone to win. So you get so my own now make everybody win. Make everybody dey happy. Then when we don't come outside, we go dey talk the relationship matter. So you get so now make person dey focus. Me I dey focus on my P. And I believe say na the same for him.
Lagos we dey live on top of Facebook. Yes. Sheggz.
What's up, bro?
Your people for Ikoyi, they want to know. What do you get? You big Sheggz. Everywhere for Ikoyi. Well, man, people go like, no, your thing with Bella, not real.
Bro, come on, man. That's my best friend. That's my baby.
So, Sheggz, we're going to bring back 1 or 2 days.
Bro,
1 or 2 weeks, 1 or 2 months, or in years' time.
You know,
gonna rebel with Bella.
I'm just gonna repeat myself again because I've been saying this the whole day, bro. You know, like people even saying it's a strategy. Like I don't understand a woman that beautiful. Like as in,
you not gonna talk pigeon. Look, Ikoyi boys, no, yeah, this one way they talk.
On a level, man. Woman we find like you fall in love. You guys fall in love.
If you love somebody, walk up to her and tell her you love her.
Trust me.
Because no crime.
That's my best friend. That's baby. You get me? All day long. No cap in my rap.
I'm talking about baby, Hermes, Alpha, baby.
I don't know, but God get plan. Now the three people will be say maintain relationship throughout the season, and I can come out together. You get why? God knows what you got to do. Me.
But right one question I would like to ask you, Hermes. Before you enter the house, you talk, say you get like 2 babes outside.
I got
so Alison now say she go join the babes, or she go just stay there alone. You do all of 3 of them together.
So you see, people where they count them as 1, 2, 3, they count all of us as together. Now individuals we decide to come together, and everybody make their own individual decision. The door always open. Once the thing not favor you, once not be me, you won't like another person. Or more. Because waiting be my own and my own. And waiting be my own, go understand saying now waiting I be with this. You know, go ask me to be on another thing.
Wow.
To like me.
Wow.
And we don't get this conversation back to back. The thing wakes up inside house, I never even follow my women them talk. Of course, grievances go day, but go sort them out because you not get waiting makes sense for this life. We no go require you to put small hard work inside.
Try.
You go do some kind of things. Things go difficult because you want them to solve. You go put effort, and it now mutual effort. It go work. It go solve. So you see me and Alison, we never get that conversation. When we come outside, we know I still love him. I love him. I hope see something goes.
But you still love your other 2 babes with the outside too.
Nothing spoil. Nothing spoiled. I love the two of them, all of them individually. And
individual love, not be collective love.
No, not be like.
So they don't be on shift. One go come Monday, collect in love.
Shift, nothing like that. To work self get me 100%.
Oh shit! Lagos more take that break. We're gonna come back for more BBN Level Up Housemate Day here.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Hi, you dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth. You never download the Wazobia FM app? Hi, you dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth. You never download the Wazobia FM app? Hi, you dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth. You never download the Wazobia FM app? Hi, you dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth. You never download the Wazobia FM app? Hi, you dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth. You never download the Wazobia FM app? Hi, you dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth. You never download the Wazobia FM app? Hi, you dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth. You never download the Wazobia FM app? Hi, you dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth. You never download the Wazobia FM app? Hi, you dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth. You never download the Wazobia FM app? Hi, you dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth. You never download the Wazobia FM app? Hi, you dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth. You never download the Wazobia FM app? Hi, you dey miss wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you feel
Out of the studio 95.1 Wazobia FM, your Chickmount station. Live it up, housemates. Today's on the beauty Lagos.
Yeah.
Let's go. Before the electricity go shock us now. Groovy.
Yeah, my boy.
I'll go straight up to you. Phone lines they open. Start to the churn in. Sharp. Messages for WhatsApp. Self. I listen. All right. Okay. So Groovy.
Yeah.
You go kiss. You go marry, and you go knock one of these three girls. Kiss, marry, and knock one for head out of these girls. Are you ready? These are from your fans, not me. Beauty, Phyna, and Chumsy. Kiss, marry, and knock one for head. Come close to the mic, bro.
I go kindly dodge that question. So you get.
Why you want dodge? What your fans want here?
I know. Say they know waiting I want here. May they hear my heart. May they hear my heart for here. The answer don't did here. Just listen to my heart and you will hear the answer. You know.
Okay. And Lagos, just so you know, now Sheggz say you want electricity. The Bob where they never do. I mean, want more electricity. So what will be the vibe, the next level for you, Sheggz, outside of the house?
My bro, you know, I'm just gonna.
You gonna switch again. You go pitch it, my brother. Now what do they sell it?
Just obviously, I'm gonna work on my knee quickly. Gonna have an operation on my knee. You know, I was acting in a couple series just before I went into the Big Brother house.
Translate. So that's gonna saying they do actor and bows. Continue.
So obviously I'm a footballer and an actor, and that's what it is
saying
for
they
now.
play soccer, football. Oh yeah, continue.
Yeah. So that's what I'm doing, man. Sticking to football and acting, and then everyone's gonna know what's going on. My team and I are working, so I don't want to say too much yet.
It doesn't no want to talk. Say now football and acting in good they do. Is that all, bro?
Definitely, man's an influencer. You know the vibes.
Okay, so MS, what's the next big thing for you outside of the house?
So I'm very enthusiastic about spaces. I don't talk about how Big Brother space don't change my life. The only thing where I want to focus on like this now to build more space where people feel calm, their life will change. So I'm starting my own production company, and I want to focus in arts. I want to go inside slum, pick some kind better talents, build them up, give them the kind of tools they need.
Road to the world.
Road to the world. You already know what it is. Shoki Boy, Bagada, Bariga, rapping strong, rapping really strong. You know as it be. Also in the sports, I play basketball. I don't follow Sheggz, they talk. You get a lot of if you do with football. Football too blow for Nigeria. I feel like you get scarce more work. We go do it. We say brands. Go get everything they want inside. People will collect more money. Lots of youth, lots of energy to work with.
If it's not making money, it's not making sense.
If you don't make money, it don't make sense. So, and about the work, my brother over here, hardworking youth. I got a team, very hardworking youth, enthusiastic about the youth energy in Nigeria. We about to take it up.
Hey man, people they shock. Like the shock still there everywhere, so you come out.
I'm on a shock pass. No worry, let me shock pass.
People they talk say some why you they there? One way, one
house. I mean my people know they
say
talk.
Bella they house and you come out.
I not tell my people what me they talk or what me they don't talk. My people get the right to talk what they want, but I want me them believe say that Big Brother where I go, you know get who I be, they still give me chance. They don't mean me bad.
Even when the vote come out,
even inside there,
even cross lane.
See, men I not say the people who work for them say they be human beings. So themselves, it get people will be say still shock inside there. Say I commot. You get why? Now votes, now they keep people inside there. I know say they hard to believe, but even they never record this kind of vote before. The votes choke.
It choke,
anyhow. My people go all out. Coolest stripe. They run up. They tell me constantly. Say it no fit be vote. They carry me. But if they hear the vote, we go out. I'm gonna choke.
It's 0700 954 954 954. You got to shukumat. All your people they here. Oh yeah, a shukumat. Lagos.
Hello.
Hi, shukumat.
I'm good. This is first time caller.
First time caller, and you get fans in here.
My shot is going out to him,
Okay.
How far?
I love him so much.
I'm gonna love right back to you, baby.
I just want to tell him that the sky is his limit. He's going to make it.
We go fly past
ourselves. I cried for the day he left the house. I still watching the show. Hema, I love you so much.
I'm gonna love right back to you, baby girl.
You are my king.
Let's go.
Right.
Thank you very much. Who did that shook mount? Groovy, Sheggz, Hermes day in the building. Shook mount.
Hermes, about you too much.
Love. I love you guys. Coolest tribe. Let's get it.
Oh shit. Now you make a man worry. Who did that shook mount?
Yes, so Papi, well done.
Yeah, shook mount.
Hi, Didi, Nigeria.
They're saying hi, guys.
Hello.
What's up?
Hello, what's going on?
They don't level up. They're not from big boy now.
No, we not get that kind of shoulder. We not get that kind of shoulder.
What's up?
Am I, baby girl? How you doing?
Well done,
Appreciate you.
Congratulations. Your everything really shocked me. It shocked me because as you come out, Bella's PCC. Man, that I don't call you like this. My spirit is weak. I don't expect more.
It shock all of us. It shock all of us.
Really tried.
We do our best.
My brother.
We do our best. Thank you.
Oh,
Jerry.
shit.
Thank you.
Happy spending. Tell Hermes and also Mr. Ikoyi that I love them. Tell Groovy. Okay. Groovy, may I keep this one for myself? Only good energy right now. You know, you went a lot of trousers and skirts and nightgowns, different body odor, different deodorants, duvets, different ways. Okay, tell him I love him because I used to watch the show since he came out, and that's the end. You know, they watch the show since he come out.
I mean, I watch it, brother. People they change people's life. I
beg, ask Groovy why he hate Amaka.
Why waiting?
Why he hate Amaka?
No, I know it.
And always instigate Phyna against Amaka.
I beg, I don't know which show you watch. I don't know which show you watch. Should I be brother I watch? I've been a big sister.
Groovy Hermes, Sheggz in the building. BBN, let's go, Lagos. Shook mouth.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Fire down now. Then they listen.
My name is Prosper.
Yeah, Prosper.
Yes, I just want to thank you. Greetings.
Send greetings to all of them, right? Thank you very much.
Yes, I just want to...
Who did they choke mouth?
Thank you.
Fire down now. Who did they choke mouth? No door to you. Who did they choke mouth?
Hello?
Yes, so fire down, my brother, man.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning by this time. All right, now fire down.
I greet two people.
Oh, yeah, no.
Well done, how far now?
Both of them.
Oh,
They
shit.
try when they was there.
Okay. When they was there, they try. Okay.
Thank you.
Who did they choke mouth? If I get the question.
No.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to ask them a question.
Hermes.
How about I hear you? Fire down.
Now we don't come out. How you want to do with the woman themselves?
We'll go figure them out too. Even we stay, all of us the ones that. You say it?
I hear when you talk, so you go handle about 100%.
I not add anybody. We go run now. No worry, baby girl.
Run down. I don't say if you run down.
Which one be run? I don't know that way they talk about.
Hey, God.
Hey God.
Love is very sweet, but first you must get the moolah.
Na poverty. I make a man worry. Who did they choke mouth?
Hello.
Yes, fire down now. No time. I go break. Sharp. Naomi, shook mouth. Give your voice, Belena. First time caller. Fire down. No door there.
Oh, Sheggz, this is so bad.
Sheggz, they talk for you.
Hey, what's good, darling?
Bella, I miss you.
Wow, I'm missing her too, man. I miss her more, you understand?
Oh, Hermes, hi.
We did. What's up? We did.
I'm good, I always watch your program every day.
Thank you so much. Now, Big Brother program, I just there now.
If you get franchise now for the Big Brother, if you get a franchise program,
give me a take on.
Took them out today. Fire down. Time don't go. I beg. Yes, so Mona, do quick. Man, get a small time for Palava. Oh yeah, now.
Groovy mono.
Yo, what's up?
What's up, bro?
See, anything everybody talk, that talk with that. People watch when anything happen. People say all of them they play game, but I believe when now people they know they inside the house, no I see feel inside the house. So now people they go now. So now they follow.
Facts.
I'm all goes up for you.
Three goes up, plenty goes up for you. Correct guy, goes up.
Yeah. All right. Thank you very much. I beg time no day. They don't rush me for here. I say Groovy, Hermes, and Sheggz. I love all of you. Enjoy your stay in the BBN, and also Groovy. They want you now. Don't leave my Phyna. It never finish. She's from my village. Warning. Don't leave my Phyna. She's from my village.
Yeah,
A word is enough for the wise. Last word to your fans right now, Hermes. Let's go.
So much love to y'all. Coolest Tribe. Let's keep it real. So much work to be done. Stick with me. Support me through my journey. There's a whole lot. Let's do a whole lot together. Love. We all of us. Let's stand for each other. Rise by lifting each other. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oyinbo everywhere. Groovy. Let them know.
It's your boy Groovy chilling live. Wazobia FM. Yo, thank you. Big shout out to everybody listening. Thank you so much, man. To my groovers, to my fans, man, for allowing me, man, to be there to week 9. A blessing. I'm coming out, man. I'm coming out to meet bigger blessings. Sure you get. So everything, man, from the business to the modeling to the music to everything, man. We're grabbing everything, man. We're showing love, man, to the youth. My guy Hermes always speaking on the youth, man. We're showing love to every single person. Let's get it. Shout out to you guys, man. Big ups. Groovy. Signing out.
Oh shit. Sheggz, I want to hear from you.
My people. My people.
Don't worry, speak what you want to speak. I'll go translate for you. Don't worry.
No, what do you want to hear from me?
Just your final last words for your Ikoyi fans and to the world.
It's to the whole world, Ikoyi, London. I'm a London to Thailand. Mr. Ikoyi, back in the city, at the day. You know the
He said, don't go, don't come back.
A lot of people saying a lot of things about it. Everybody knows that's my home, that's where I'm from, that's where my dad is from,
He
my
said,
grandfather,
even
my great-grandfather. You know what I'm saying?
In grandpa self now from
What is
Ikoyi.
more vibes, Ikoyi, so sure. Let's get it.
He said Ikoyi is sure pass any other place, right?
I didn't say that. I said Ikoyi, so sure. Let's get it. I didn't say more.
Okay, sorry. Interpreter said, don't make mistake. I don't
Yeah.
Ladies, thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for coming through. Really appreciate it.
Thank you for having us. Thank you.
Bigger things are going. We're there for you. Wazobia there for you. We don't base inside of a level. Palava, sharp. It's 08095.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You didn't miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today.
Off the mic, off. Come on, brothers.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You didn't miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmat family today.
Wazobia FM 90.